In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all your connections on LinkedIn. If you've ever wanted to quickly find the full list of people you're connected with on LinkedIn, the process is very simple once you know where to look. This is useful if you want to review your professional network, reconnect with someone, or just get a better sense of the contacts you've built over time. To begin, go to LinkedIn in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your profile and network features. Once the LinkedIn homepage has loaded, take a moment to get familiar with the top navigation bar, because that's where you'll find the option you need. Next, click on My Network. This section is where LinkedIn organizes your professional relationships, including connection requests, suggestions, and the people you're already connected to. After selecting My Network, LinkedIn will take you to the area where your network information is managed. From here, you'll be able to access the list of your connections and view everyone currently linked to your account. This is the central place for checking your network, and it can be especially helpful if you're looking for a specific contact or want to browse through your existing connections. As a quick tip, if you have a large number of connections, it may take a moment to scroll through everything. In that case, it helps to use the search or filtering tools available within LinkedIn to narrow down the list more efficiently. That can save you time, especially if you're trying to locate someone from a particular company, industry, or location. Another helpful thing to keep in mind is that reviewing your connections regularly can make your LinkedIn experience more useful. It gives you a chance to stay organized, remember who's in your network, and identify opportunities to reach out, follow up, or strengthen professional relationships. So, to recap, start by opening LinkedIn, then click on My Network to get to the section where your connections are managed and displayed. Once you're there, you can review the people in your network and use LinkedIn's tools to navigate the list more easily. That's all it takes to view all your connections on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find your network with confidence.